just wanna think different. Wanna do things different. On a relationship, yeah, nice. Have that pack of panty, put on. You know for your fact, say yeah. Once a man see it, you show him them, so him know the difference. Once a man see it, him know say alright, I rip off panty that, and him supposed to feel excited. It's similar to role play, but it's not really a role play. One more caller, bigs. One more caller. Trevor, no. Still waiting to find that one bitch. I haven't found my bitches yet. Still waiting to find my bitch. Good morning, original. What's up? I'm good, you know. So you do. So you have it. Me not. Why me go have it? Me not see my bitch yet. Why me go have it? The weather is good, you know. Just listen to you. Really? Oh, that is so nice. Hanson, good morning. So is it rainy season? And not only rainy season, on a regular basis. And if you have the level of relationship where both of you can read each other's mind without talking. Sometimes you must can know say your man's sad and you want to make him happy. You just do what you're supposed to do to make him happy. Some man not happy please, you know. Some man not happy please. Some man they're so easy to please. I'm not talking one that we cheat enough. I'm not talking one that we just can't get enough of one pussy. You have some man they're easy to please. Mila, good morning. The weather is good. You know, fine. No, I'm not looking corrupt. I'm not looking. If I was looking, I probably would find some scraps. I'm not looking. What kind of therapy I have for the bedroom? What is it that is happening to you in your bedroom? Corrupt me now, look. Tell me what is happening to you in your bedroom, and then I will tell you if you need anything. And most of you not to lie to, you're not afraid to talk the truth. You're having an issue, I'm afraid to name it out, say yes, me come too quick, or me not get hard, me not stay hard long enough, or just you refuse to be honest. And that is the reason why that I can't get no help. Feel free, once you're having an issue, no woman, then if you're not a woman, baby love, go out and get a woman. If you're ugly, let me tell you the therapy now. If you're ugly, you can't get cute. But what you can do, you can groom yourself. You can make sure your hair neatly cut. You can make sure your teeth them clean. Brush them. Put some baking soda and brush your teeth. If you don't smell right, go and take a nice decent shower and buy one nice cologne and roll on and you use it. Make sure your arm shave and make sure all of the pubic hair and your penis and down the so clean up. You understand? Oil on your body when you're done. You must always oil on the body when you're done shave it. That's the only way it's going to look attractive. Some man would look very, very cracky and ugly. Very disgusting. You understand? Clothes. You don't have to reach to wear nice clothes. Clothes that everywhere fit. Pants and shirt for $1,000 and $1,500. You buy one nice little suit and put it on. If your toe want do and you don't want to know something they go do your toe because your toe ugly and choppy, put your foot in a bad pan and scrub it. Me have a problem. Can I? Me tell you already, feel free. Put your foot in something there and scrub it. What you want me to do corrupt? What you want me to do? The man say him have an issue and I'm telling him what to do based on the issue. So him say no woman. So what you want to do? In a them day. Yeah, of course. You have a problem. I don't. Do you have a problem with me? Tell me. Mackenzie, pick up yourself. You need to tell nobody that. What you mean? What you mean? Me don't need to tell nobody that. Are you crazy? Where you come from? Alright, love. Have a good one. Alright, chill pill. From 2 years, you talk about this. Corrupt. Thank you, Marcus. Corrupt, listen. Let me tell you what you don't understand. I am sure you're saying that from 2 years when I talk about this. Let me tell you something. A child that is growing up. How many years you keep on telling a child the same thing before them actually listen to you? Think about it. How many times you going to want vagina and the fuck and ears saying of a broken night and you're still broken night? How much kids you will get before you actually learn? Tell me. Walcott, big up yourself, Walcott. Good morning. Lee Black, good morning. It no matter how you want to look on life, you have to understand. Sometimes you have to keep on remind people of the things they are supposed to do. Because you have some person, they are broken down, they are going through a lot, and because of that, them choke themselves. Simple good morning. They refuse to take care of themselves, but yet they want the best just the same. Thank you, GPS. And some stubborn as well. Thank you, Tupac. Alright, for this, like how me chat too much and me tired of you know. So how come this black and you still the talk? How come this black and you still the talk? Or somebody just block him. Oh, thank you, Mali. Thank you. Cuban, good morning. A lot of persons don't understand not everybody really and truly take care of themselves. You have some people, they are so thrown up, them not cut them ear, and enough man not see how they will not cut them ear. And them expect woman to want them same way. Them not bathe properly and them expect woman to want them same way. Them out there with them cheesy front and them dirty foot and them dirty ear and them expect woman to want them same way. Thanks to the love slake, they're out there not working and them expect woman to want them same way. Them can't even contribute nothing at all towards food or clothes or upbringing, and them want woman same way. Them mouth stink, them teeth rotten, and them want woman same way. You have to understand, pussy is the source of life. Even though money important and everything is important, when a man not get no pussy, he become mental. Say one pussy no one then forget a look broke. But how can you get it? Even though you have different level of people out there. Good morning, Nana. Even though you have different level of people out there, some man want some pussy from some people where they expect or believe supposed to see them. The dirtiest a man out there. You think say want a pussy from a dirty girl? You want pussy from one nice pretty browning, one nice chrome skin girl with up in our society. And him a call to her because him want her front, him want to fuck off her because of him find himself attracted to she. Him think him attracted to she. So when you sit down and you look on a lot of things, oh thank you, TikTok. When you sit down and you look on a lot of things, you have to understand. Some man want what them want and they're not willing to put in the work to get what they want. You disagree? I can the boss. Why you disagree? Explain yourself. Diego, big up yourself. Him have too much. You can't say man have too much ambition. Listen. On a day to day, if some of the ladies willing to talk on a day to day, and this is what a lot of persons don't understand. The higher you are in society is not the persons on your level talking to you. But I want you to understand that. The persons on your level, they are not the ones talking to you. They are not the ones looking you. They are not the ones trying to communicate with you. The persons who are lower than you will want to reach where you reach and them are find you attractive. They're the ones who are trying to seek your attention. They're the ones who want to be where you are. They're the ones who go out of them way just to get your attention. In case you never think about it like that. But the persons who are on your level, they will not see you as an equal because they're always aiming for something higher. So when a girl put on her clothes and she go out there, she dressed very sexy, very attractive. And man see her and want her, them go look her. Yes, when him realize say she not upon fame level, him gone. But if she's higher than his level, him not stop fuck her. Him not stop fuck her. Cause she higher than him. She have what position over him. Him not stop fuck her and he go feel proud fucking that pussy. He's going to feel friggin' proud fucking that pussy because according to him the pussy have values. The pussy have something where keep him going. Even if her old big. Even if she can't please him properly. The fact that she have status, him not gonna stop fuck the status out of her until she can either upgrade him or bring him to her level. And bear in mind, remember say status him fuck right now. So the moment him get to her level, him want to reach higher. Public property. But now I'm gonna call it public property because let me tell you something. You have some female, them really and truly wait. When me see them dark skin lady, oh God. So you're attracted to dark skin female. You're saying that dark skin female turn you on. So you like them nice pink pum pum. That is nice. Thank you, Chill Pill. That is nice. You see, because my one black, me keep my distance from a lot of persons. Stevie, cook shop, big up yourself. But people have to understand, there are different levels to things. And nowadays, if you not talk what you want, you go end up just take what you get. I mean, I think it's fair. But things that we're not going in a relationship, we must talk what you want. Not trick nobody if you're there with nobody. Pussy free, cocky free. Don't trick nobody if you're there with nobody. You know, worth it. Broke woman turn me off quickly. So you want a woman with money. Christopher, me now go say what you say. But I go say what you say. You're wrong to say because that is your opinion. Just like what some females say, broke man not forget pussy because I rape. And if you as an individual not working and you want somebody to assist you, it is only fair enough to you find a female that can assist you. Broke men turn me off too. Yeah, because you know them say broke man, well listen, it rough. You know say broke man fucking office. Franco, Grand Rising. If people really still gonna look on the broke man fucking office now, can they not have nothing else to do? They don't have nothing, they don't have a thing about no job, nothing at all, just pussy. And them just fuck. They will fuck you for the whole day. When they done you hungry and them hungry. Oh, is it a lie? It's true. Broke man fuck no for. You don't have money, you nothing but nothing else, and all you want is just pussy. And you fuck out the woman whole day, fuck her, because you don't have nothing else to get. You hungry when you're done, and she hungry. How can that work? Really, Jason? You like fat pum pum? Lord Jesus. So you don't like maga pum pum too? You know, so sometimes the pussy can fat and it don't really hold you. And a pussy can mag and it just squeeze up a cock. It's not the kind of pussy you like, you know. It's how the female take care of her body. And that you must like. Million Boss, good morning. You must like how a female take care of them body. Based on how a female take care of them body, I say you know the quality pussy with them carry. Brother, move now. Juna Green, good morning. St. Mary College was your past high school. No love. No love. St. James High. I went to St. James High. Ryan, good morning. It's true. When a female take care of them body properly, pussy no stink, pussy not drain, pussy well shit. Listen, pum pum must shave. You have some man who talk about say them no want no pussy with, no, they don't want no ball pussy. Pussy must shave. And if the female a keep no ear on her vagina, the ear must be on the top, not where the jaw them there. The ear must be on the top. That simply mean when a pee-pee, not nothing if it trap nothing if you have no scent. Good morning, Samuel. Thanks to the love. Henry, big up yourself, Henry. But maybe this a pussy must ball. Ball of a pussy. Throw like a baby oil panny. Or look olive oil. And you can sprinkle like a powder panny. Or you can use the pum pum things where them have the pum pum and put panny. Pum pum must fresh. When I take off a panty, oh God. The scent with the boxing man is supposed to make him want us fuck out your whole day in, day out. And not tap. The ear front. Yeah, pussy enough for earring. Cause you see, when a pum pum ball, and you pee for the whole day and you wipe your vagina, when I go home, my vagina still fresh. Still fresh. Sleep on my belly. You sleep on your belly? Sleep on my belly. Why you sleep on your belly, Molly? Molly, what you said before? Let me look back to see if I can see what you said before, Molly. Molly, me not say nothing. What you said before? Molly, tell me why you sleep on your belly. Cause I can't shave your vagina and sleep on your belly. Always enjoy. Oh, thank you, Henry. Good morning, Carlton. Brian, good morning. When the pum pum clean, him feel live in a it. Of course, no man, you're not gonna feel no pain. Listen, Molly, let me teach you something, Molly. I'm when you believe me. Me know you have vagina, so me know you can relate. But on the other hand, if you have never gotten it before, you can't relate. So for the ladies on the live, as a matter of fact, everybody tap the screen and share the live so we can get more ladies. Because I'm sure that 99% of the persons on here are males. Can we get some more ladies on the live, please? So just tap the screen and share the live. So as a female, if you have gotten it before, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you have never gotten it before, then you'll never understand. When you're having sex, you're not supposed to be in any form of pain. Sex is supposed to be pleasure. The moment your body relaxes, your passage makes way for the dick to enter. Because you're going to start get cream. You see how them spitting a vagina business there? It wrong. Spit never make you go in a pussy. Me don't know where you wanna get that from. Spit on a cock or rubbing at the vagina, it never make for that. It never make for that. That is the reason why when you properly foreplay the female our vagina becomes wet. It is making way for any size cock where you have to go in there when you properly foreplay the female, including kissing up of breasts, kissing up of neck, kissing up of forehead, kissing up of her back. Make her body feel like you're literally worshipping her body. If you want to kiss her thighs and anywhere else, it is on you. Finger not going to pussy, you know. Finger not going to pussy. And I'm going to tell you why. A lot of you may not agree, but I'm going to tell you why. Better yet, you see the bro rule, want to have the bro rule where you stick it. You sniff it before you stick it. That bro rule where you sniff it before you stick it. The only way I would allow it is because me think you really need to know wanna get yourself in before you actually go in it. That's the only reason why I would allow that rule. But on the other hand, sticking your finger in a female vagina, you're causing or allowing her to have yeast infection activation. Reason why I say that? How many of you as males, I'm want to talk the truth, not tell no bumbleclot lie, talk the truth.